currently 6:30 in the morning. Tamad gumising ng umaga pagpapasok. Pero pag sa trip, gising na gising yan siya. Kain. We're gonna be going to Pennsylvania. Finally. So instead of bumili ng breakfast, syempre! Starting to check form. Proceed to count. I don't have my makeup on yet. Sa welcome center ng Pennsylvania and we're only an hour away. So pupuntahan namin yung famous buffet. Isa yun sa mga naunang buffet dito sa US. And this is Minelle's birthday gift for me. And it's supposedly last week. So nung nag-check ako kung kailan yung peak ng tawag dito, kailan yung peak ng fall leaves dito. Ngayon week yun. So that's right. Look at outside. See? Sobrang ganda. After 6 hours. Is it 6 hours? 5 hours? 5 hours. We're here. We're gonna have lunch first. Buffet lunch. Oh my god, it's cold. Don't tell me.
Wala dyan.
So that's Shady Maple Banquets. Banquets? I don't know.
Lagayin siguro ng jacket yan. Pag malamig.
This is huge. Haba na nilakad namin pero wala pa kami sa loob. So, ang haba ng pila just to get there. And to think that it's Friday today, ha? So, look. It's really big. I'll get back to you guys. Tingnan natin kung how many minutes kaming need pumila. So it's currently 11:45. Let's see how many minutes will it take us to go there sa cashier. Thanks to my sugar daddy. That's the sugar daddy. So update, it's 11:52 and we're still on the line. But that's fine. Hindi naman nakakalapot na mag-stay or maghintay. So, okay lang naman. So, basically, I never heard about this store. Si Minel lang nakadiscover nito. So, saan mo nakita to? Sa TikTok?
Dati na.
Alam mo na to dati pa? Sabi niya, alam niya na to dati pa. So, it is famous because it's one of the first buffet dito sa United States. We're still on the line and pag may mga ganitong trip kami ni Minel, ha? Free?
So on the day daw.
Ah, sorry, it's not my birthday anymore. It's already a week. So, pag may mga ganito kaming lakad ni Minel, siya yung in charge sa itinerary. Ako yung in charge sa pagbubuk ng flight and sa pagbubuk ng mga hotel. Pero sa mga itineraries, kung saan kami kakain or kung saan kami pupunta, siyang in charge. So we made a great team. Heads up, they're almost there and it's 11:55. 10 minutes after we're almost here. And it's not that bad. I mean, I'm not fan of buffet, but it's great to experience this once lang or once in a while. I don't know. So, sabi ni Minette, parang siyang Canada since it's maple. And it's like super huge. So, let us see later pagpasok natin kung gaano ba ito kalaki. I mean, nakita ko to sa TikTok but hindi ko pa siya nakikita in person. And let's see kung gaano siya kalaki. $20 each per person. Mas mahal kapag dinner, no? Mas mahal siya kapag dinner. It's $47.18.
Almost 25.
Sorry.
23.
Our ticket, is it ticket?
Yep.
It's like this. It says, this table is reserved for lunch only. Grabe, ang dami rin tao kahit Friday. So we're going now. So para siyang boot-boot, grabe. So talagang hindi ka mauubusan ng uupuan, diba? Thank you. No, it's our first time actually.
Alright. First of all, you're at table 28. That's an important number for you in case you get turned around.
Of course.
And you will.
I know.
Alright. This is completely self-serve. You help yourself to everything, even your own drinks. We have girls in the middle. They have your meat on them.
Sure.
And then behind that, we have your soup and salad. And 200 feet are your happiness. Anything you might want. Through that door to the right, we have drinks. Through that doorway, we have coffee and hot tea.
Sure.
We do ask that you get a clean plate every time you go up. And then if you put your dirty plates on the end, I'll come around and take it away from you. When you're done, if you flip your ticket over, that way we know that you're done.
Alright.
Other than that,
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Let's go.
Let's go. Back to original business. Grabe, sobrang laki. Para kang ano,
Shopping.
para kang nasa mall. So, where do we start?
Steak.
Oh my god. That's carb ham, smoked beef brisket. Goal namin is matikman yung Philadelphia cheesesteaks kasi dun sila famous for. Pero since we have already, so we'll try this.
Gusto mo rin?
Yeah.
Or,
Thank you. Babalik muna ako kasi na-overwhelm ako. Ang daming pagpipilian. So, ito yung problem kapag nasa ganito kalaking buffet. Kailangan tandaan mo yung upuan mo kasi baka hindi mo na alam kung saan ka uupo, diba? So, we're table 28. I hope matandaan pa namin. Yay! I'm here! So, I'm just gonna put this one here first. And then, I'm gonna be back just to get some. Sarap na fries. First round. Let's see kung how many rounds to.
Ewan lang to.
Ewan ko sa kasama ko.
Sarap ng soup to.
Kasi I'm not a fan of buffet. Sa akin mabusog lang okay na. Pero yung kasama ko, alam kong susulitin niya yung binayad niya dito. That's for sure. Parang pasuka na to eh. Parang sopa. Ano yan?
Fish, masarap. Promise. Parang sarap matulog pagtas na to. Magkano siyang meal sa ano?
I think I'm full. Sabi ko sa inyo hindi ako malakas talaga kumain. Tabain lang talaga ako, pero hindi ako malakas kumain. I mean, nothing fancy naman about yung mga buffet dito kasi wala naman silang mga specialty katulad sa atin ng mga kare-kare, adobo, wala naman silang mga ganun. Puro mga processed food yung mga kilala sa kanila dito. So, it's more of steak, salad, pizza, very American foods. But the experience of being here, that's I think one of the reason why we are here. I mean, mostly ng mga trips namin, talaga nagbabakon lang kami ni Menel ng food. So, I'm surprised na si Menel yung nag-aya sa ganitong buffet. And even sa Philippines, hindi talaga ako malakas kumain. So, si Menel, kumukuha lang siya ng last batch niya. And I'm gonna be opting for dessert na lang din after this.
Have you heard from Virginia?
Siguro yung isa sa mga nilook forward lang talaga namin sa trip na to was the Philadelphia cheese steaks. Kasi Philadelphia is one of the city here in Pennsylvania. And they are known for their Philly steaks. So, hindi talaga ako explorative sa food. Mas more on si Menel. So, I'm just trying sometimes. Pero, kapag yung food doesn't look appetizing on me, it's so hard for me to try it. Kasi, alam mo ko ba sa isip ko, even turkey. So, syempre, di ba kapag ganitong Thanksgiving, uso sa kanila yung turkey. Kasi parang yun yung way of celebrating nila ng Thanksgiving. Kailangan may turkey sila. And super mura ng turkey every Thanksgiving. Kasi ang lalaki, no? One time, my friend ako na nagsabi na malansa daw. So, yun na yung nag-stick sa utak ko. Even if hindi ko pa na-experience or hindi ko pa na-try yung lasa ng turkey. So, ever since that, hindi ko talaga tinry. Never. So, ito si Menel, may one time, nagluto siya ng lumpia. So, siya yung nagmamarinate. Siya yung naglalagay ng mga ingredients, naghahalo-halo. Ako lang yung nagbabalot. So, it was so good for me because it's been a long time since huling kain namin ng lumpia. And then later niya lang sinabi sa akin na it was turkey. So sabi niya sa akin, see, hindi mo man lang nakita yung difference. It's because it's just all in your mind. But it's just so hard for me talaga to try new things when it comes to food. Pero mind you sa other things, especially sa career and everything, I am really so explorative and I will always take risks. Kaya nga nandito kami, di ba? Kaya nandito kami sa America, it's because we are both open for taking a risk. And this is one of the best risk na talagang tinry ko sa buong buhay ko. And it changed our life. Not just financially, but the holistically speaking, it changed me a lot. The growth, the opportunity, the learning every single day, that's something that you really cannot pay for money. Look at him. Got a new batch of... Ito na ba yung Philly steaks?
Cheese sticks.
We got burger. Another wings.
Huh? Hot dog.
Hot dogs. And some more fries. Mamaya magde-dessert na kami.
Yes.
Magde-dessert mukbang tayo. I have pearl tapioca. I have eclair. I got some strawberry. And some chocolate hot fudge. I want to try first itong strawberry. Sabi kasi hot daw to. Baka mainit, baka magkasuya. Sarap ng chocolate. I love it. And then, I'll drink coffee. I'll drink water. Next is this Tapioca. Baka lasa to ng katulad sa atin sa Pinas. Not for me. Ito yung eclair. Para siyang mango graham. Not mango graham. Graham. Para siyang graham. Masarap ites. I only got 3. Kakain ko mamaya sa minute. But I'm gonna enjoy my hot fudge and strawberry first. So we are
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
You too.
I'm just gonna go to the restroom. Super cute ng mga moms. Oh. Moms yung tawag dyan. So they're selling it for $5 each.
Parang ganito yung ano gabi.
Sa Ats.
Diba?
Oo.
Yun yung mga maliliit lang.
Yep.
Yung amoy din ganun eh.
It's self-service now. Self-service.
Kaya cash lang.
That's nice. Welcome to... Anong tawag dito na?
Shady Maple.
Huh?
Shady Maple.
Shady Maple in Pennsylvania. We're going back on the road. It's currently 1:16. So it's 1 hour. More than an hour. Tingnan niyo yung labas. Super countryside na countryside. May mga corn, tas doon mga bundok. And that's it. Bye! Ano? May tae daw. Sobrang basher. Grabe ka, basher. Ganda, ang ganda dyan, love. Lakad ka lang. Gitna ka! Done with the lunch. Off to our second stop.
Driver niyang tulig. Hindi tulog, tulig. Scarborough show.
Hindi ko matandaan yung pangalan, but we're gonna go to a village that is para siyang Europe style village dito sa Pennsylvania.